Good morning, student. Now today we will start new topic, area of parallelogram and area of triangle. Okay. First we know about the parallelogram. Parallelogram is a quadrilateral in which opposite sides are equal and parallel. Okay. This side base and this side height. Okay. Now area of parallelogram is equal to base into height. Base into height. Okay. Next, area of triangle. Here you see that triangle. Area of triangle is equal to half base into height. You know triangle? Triangle has three sides, three vertices, okay, three corner angles. Understand? Note all congruent triangles have equal areas, but triangle have equal area are not necessarily congruent. Okay. Now we start exercise 11.2. Find the area of each of the following parallelogram. Okay. Here you see that parallelogram base 7 cm and height 4 cm. Okay. Now area of parallelogram, base into height, four into 7, 28 centimeter square. Now you see this parallelogram. Area of parallelogram is equal to base into height, 2.5 into 3.5. We get 8.75 centimeter square after multiplication. Now in E, area of parallelogram, base into height. This is the sign of parallelogram. 2 into 4.4, 8.8 centimeter square or square centimeter. Okay. Question number 2. Find the area of each of the following triangles. Okay. A. This is triangle, base 4 cm, height 3 cm. Now area of triangle. Half base into height, half 4 into 3, 6 centimeter square. Now see area of triangle. Half base into height, base 3 centimeter and height 4 centimeter. 6 centimeter square. Now in D, base 3 centimeter, height 2 centimeter. This is a obtuse angle triangles. Okay, this is the area of triangle. Is equal to half base into height, half 3 into 2, 3 centimeter square. Okay. Now question number 3, find missing values. Here you see that base, height and area parallelogram. You know that area of parallelogram gram is equal to base into height. Here you see the base but not height. Now height is equal to area of parallelogram gram divided by base, 24.6 centimeter square divided by 20, we get 12.3 centimeter. Okay. Now in second case, base is equal to area of parallelogram divided by height. Area parallelogram what? 154.5 centimeter square and divided by 15. We get how much? When we divide, we get 10.3 centimeter. 10.3 centimeter. Here we fill 10.3 centimeter. Now in C, also find base. Now we change the area according to the question. Area 48.72 centimeter square divided by height 8.4. We get how much? When we cancel, we get how much? 5.8 centimeter. 5.8 centimeter. Okay. Now in D, find height. Change the formula here, HEIGST, height divided by base, okay, divided by base. Now 16.38 centimeter square divided by 15.6. How much? We get 1.05 centimeter. In this way, we find the missing values. Okay. In case of parallelogram. Find missing values. In question number 4. Okay. We know that area of triangle is equal to half base into height. Okay. Now in first, base and area of triangle given. Now height is equal to 2 into area of triangle divided by base. Understand? 287 divided by base. How much? 15. Understand? Now when we cancel, we get 11.6 centimeter. 11.6 centimeter. Now in second case, we find base. Now here we write base and here height. Okay. Now 56 mm square divided by 31.4 mm. When we divide, we get 80 mm. How much? 80 mm. Now in third case, base and area of triangle given. Now to find height, you write here base to area of triangle 170.5 centimeter square divided by 2211. Okay, now we get 15.5 centimeter. 15.5 centimeter. Okay, thank you, student. Now we solve question number 5 to find area of parallelogram PQRS. Parallelogram PQRS, okay, and QN. Given SR 12 centimeter, PS 8 centimeter, and QM 7.6 centimeter. Okay. Now we know that area of parallelogram is equal to base into height. Base into height. Okay. Here you see that base, if we take base SR, then height will be QM. SR into how much? QM. Now we take 12 centimeter multiply by 7.6 centimeter. We get centimeter square. Understand? 91.2 centimeter square. Other way, we also find the area of parallelogram PQRS. If we take base PS and height QN. Area of parallelogram PQRS is equal to base into height PS into how much? QN is equal to 91.2 centimeters square. QN is equal to 91.2 centimeters square divided by PS. 91.2 divided by PS 8. We get how much? 11.4 centimeter. 11.4 centimeter. Okay. Understand? Now in question number 6, to find BM and DL. BM and DL. Height. If base AB, then height BM. If we take base AB, then height DL. Area of parallelogram ABCD is equal to 1470 centimeter square. Now, first we find DL. Okay. Area of parallelogram ABCD. If we take AB as base is equal to AB into DL is equal to 1470 centimeter square. Now DL is equal to 1470 centimeter square divided by AB divided by how much? 35. And we cancel, we get how much? 42 centimeter. Okay. Now next 35 centimeter. If we take AD as base, then BM as height, then AD multiply by BM, 1470 centimeter square. Now BM is equal to 1470 divided by 49. We get how much? 30 centimeter. Okay. Now question number 7. To find area of triangle ABC and AD. AD is perpendicular on PC. Height of the triangle according in this if we take BC as base. Okay. R with respect to BC. Solution. We know that area of triangle is equal to half base into height. B for base, H for height. Angle A 90 degree. Half. We take any side, base and as a base or as a height. 5 into 12. 30 centimeter square. Area of triangle ABC. Now, again, area of triangle ABC. If we take BC as base, okay, half BC height AD, 30 centimeter square. Okay. Now AD is equal to 30 centimeter square multiplied by 2 divided by BC. 30 divided by 2 upon 30. 60 by 30 centimeter. Length of AD. Okay. Now question number 8. Find area of triangle ABC and C. Here you see that a triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. AB and AC are equal. 7.5 centimeter. AD, height of the triangle in with respect to base BC, 6 centimeter, and BC 9 centimeter. Now area of triangle ABC, half base into height, half base 9 centimeter and height 6 centimeter. 27 centimeter square. 27 centimeter square. Now if we take area of triangle ABC, if we take AB as base like this, now half AB and height CE, 27 centimeter square. Now CE is equal to 27 multiplied by 2 divided by AB. 54 divided by how much? 7.5. 5. Okay. When we cancel, we get 7.2 centimeter. 7.2 centimeter. Height of AC. Okay. Thank you, student.